how to program the device. Activate. Start in the pound key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Administrator settings, press 1. User settings, press 2. System settings, press 3. Information.
Admin.
Add administrator, press 1. Out of base, press 2. Delete administrator, press. Please enter a number. Please enter administrator information.
Here can be password. Fingerprint. Also, we can exit. Admin here. Add the face. Okay. 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 Look.
Please turn your face a little, turn right.
Right.
Please turn your face a little, turn left.
Left.
Please turn your face a little, look down.
Down.
Please turn your face a little, look up.
Look up.
0, 0, 4.
Okay. This is register face. Actually, the user. You can
Add administrator, press. Administrator settings,
add
press.
admin.
User settings.
User setting.
Add users, press. Please enter a number.
Number. Okay, just
Please enter.
also can be card,
0,
fingerprint, and password. Also the same. Okay, this is how to program the device.